have invested 1/3 of your life to get this piece of paper, a degree. But what have this degree really given you? What have you truly achieved? Think about it. After years of effort, sleepless nights, and endless exams, all you hold in your hands is a piece of paper. Can this piece of paper guarantee you financial freedom? Can it unleash your true potential? Or has it all been a waste of time, energy, and life? We are told that education is the key to success, but in reality, today's system traps us in a cycle of rote learning. Memorize, repeat, and forget. This is not education, it's a production line. Where is the creativity? Where is the critical thinking? We are trained to follow instructions, not to question them, to fit into molds, not to break them. At the end of this long, exhausting journey, most of us left with frustration, disillusionment, and an empty wallet. So I ask you, is this the purpose of education? To produce robots instead of thinkers, followers instead of leaders? It's time to rethink what we are investing our lives into. Education should empower us, not limit us. It should teach us how to live, not just how to survive. This is a wake-up call. Let us demand an education that nurtures our potential, values creativity, and prepares us for the realities of life. Because we are worth so much more than just a piece of paper.